At Rocky Ridge, we don't just focus on the big three. For years, we've been taking the Nissan Titan from bland to bold. The Nissan Titan gets a serious attitude adjustment from the 6-inch custom suspension lift system. This complete package includes custom bracketry, springs, and custom valve shocks so that your truck both looks aggressive yet gives you a premium, comfortable ride quality, mile after mile. To match the new aggressive stance, we bolt on our custom 20-inch wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich 35-inch all-terrain tires. This gives you both the stance and style you need while allowing this truck to tackle nearly anything you can throw at it. A true custom truck is more than just a lift kit and custom wheels. That's why each Rocky Ridge Titan is equipped with all kinds of proprietary details, like our custom emblems and side steps. We truly left no bolt unturned. Each Rocky Ridge Nissan Titan has a wide array of options as well. You can add in custom pocket flare fenders, a performance exhaust, custom leather interior package, as well as complete on-site custom paint to match nearly any taste. A one-of-a-kind custom truck with proprietary details from front to back, all wrapped in a package with no downtime, no waiting for parts, and no bull. The Rocky Ridge Nissan Titan meets all federal motor vehicle safety standards, is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all parts sold, installed, and serviced as part of the Rocky Ridge build, all wrapped into a fully financed package through your local Rocky Ridge dealer. For more information on this and all Rocky Ridge products, visit us on the web at rockyridgetrucks.com or search your local dealer's inventory at liftedtrucksforsale.com.